Zimbabweans have flocked to polling stations in the southern African country's presidential election, in spite of claims that voting has been rigged. Thousands of voters braved the early morning chill across country to queue hours before poll booths opened, just after 7 a.m. local time, 5 o'clock GMT, on Wednesday. Robert Mugabe, Zimbabwe's 89-year-old president, pledged to serve for 5 years as he cast his vote to increase his 33-year period in power. The main opposition party, the Movement for Democratic Change Tsvangirai, MDCT, said that the electoral register had been rigged, a claim that Mugabe has strenuously denied. "I'm sure people will vote freely and fairly," Mugabe told reporters after casting his ballot in a school in Harare's Highfields Township. "There's no pressure being exerted on anyone." The MDCT's leader, Morgan Tsvangirai, who is also prime minister, expressed confidence that he would win an overwhelming victory against his veteran rival Mugabe. Tsvangirai, 61, predicted his party would win quite resoundingly. "This is a very historic moment for all of us," he said. Tsvangirai narrowly beat Mugabe in the last elections in 2008 but boycotted a presidential runoff vote to protest widespread violence against his Movement for Democratic Change party. A third candidate, Welshman Cube, leader of a breakaway faction of Tsvangirai's party, MDCN, is likely to draw votes from Tsvangirai in the western Matabeleland provinces. Al Jazeera's Harun Mudassar, reporting from the capital, Harare, said that some people had queued since 4:30 am to cast their votes because they said it was such an important election. Parkstone Musaruwe, 27, told Al Jazeera's Azad Essa, reporting from Harare, that he had queued to cast his ballot since 6 a.m. and had not seen any intimidation. "It's a cold morning and the environment is so cool, everyone is so happy," said Musaruwe, who said he was hoping the poll would bring change. "Nothing's going to stop me to vote." Some voters told Mudassar that the voting process had been too slow. Voters' roll concern. Jen Psaki, U.S. State Department spokeswoman, said on Tuesday that Washington was troubled by the lack of transparency in electoral preparations, by the continued partisan behavior of state security institutions and by the technical and logistical issues hampering the administration of a credible and transparent election. The contest pits Mugabe against Tsvangirai, the former opposition leader who teamed up with the president's party, ZANU-PF, in an uneasy coalition. The power-sharing deal was forged by regional leaders after Zimbabwe's last disputed and violent election in 2008. Mugabe has promised that if he loses he will hand power over to Tsvangirai. However, the MDCT has alleged that Mugabe supporters have engaged in vote rigging in a desperate attempt to stay in power. The official state election body has admitted that administrative, logistical and funding problems have hindered voting arrangements, but said they had been resolved and voting would go ahead at more than 9,000 polling stations across the country. Al Jazeera's Mudassar said that people were concerned about the voters' roll, which was only made available to the public on Monday. "They haven't had the chance to check and see if their name's actually on that voters' roll," our correspondent said. "They are concerned about duplication of names, they're concerned that a certain number of people are supposedly deceased on that voters' roll."